Guys, welcome to my channel. And Wi-Fi is not working. Okay, so first right click to Windows icon and then click on Device Manager. After that, you can see network adapter and extract this. So this is Bluetooth. If Bluetooth not, so just right click to update driver and search automatically. Close. Then again right click and uninstall device and uninstall. After that, this is search icon. Scan for hardware changes. So this is again come to Bluetooth, then right click and update driver, search automatic, and this is install again and then close. Same this is for the Wi-Fi. When right click update and search click to update and then close it and then close. Then next method. So guys, first method, click to start, type CMD and right click to run as administrator, then click to yes, then some command. So that is four command. First one sfc space slash scan now, then hit enter. Wait few seconds, it will complete 100%. Then type next command, which is second number. So you can enter also. You can copy paste. Okay, do not type so long of the command. So it will complete. Then copy second one and then just right click it. Okay, when you okay, then third one. Then guys, last same as it is. Okay, when it is completed, this four command properly one by one enter, and that's command I will give you in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste from descriptions. then it will done, then try to follow next method. Okay, otherwise you can restart also. Okay, thank you.